Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable and get the borrow feature on Cash App. So it is a very easy step. So all you have to do, first of all, you have to do is open the Cash App on your iPhone or Android phone, sign into your Cash App account, and then navigate to the bottom left of the screen to go to the Cash App Balance tab. From the Cash App menu, you will need to tap on the banking option and move ahead. In addition, you should opt for borrow option and you will come to know the total loan amount you can take from the Cash App. Apart from that, you need to tap on the unlock option to display to borrow the money on Cash App. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you need to select the amount you would like to borrow. In addition to this, you will need to confirm your selection and go through the Cash App TOS before you implement it. Once you've completed the above step, you can take a loan from Cash App from $20 up to $200. And that's how to enable and get the borrow feature on Cash App. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.